Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Rayan Sajid, and today I'll be presenting on the topic of globalization. Globalization is the process by which the world becomes more interconnected through trade, technology, culture, and communication. But the big question is, does globalization do more good than harm? For my case study, I chose Apple, one of the most globalized companies in the world. Apple designs products in the United States, manufactures them across Asia, and sells them worldwide. Let's evaluate the impact of globalization in Apple's case. Economically, globalization benefits Apple in many ways. It helps the company reduce costs by manufacturing in countries like China and Vietnam. It also creates jobs globally. For example, in India, Apple has started producing iPhones, boosting local employment. However, there are downsides. Many factory workers are underpaid, and countries become too dependent on global supply chains. For example, a single delay in chip production can affect global phone deliveries. Socially, globalization spreads knowledge, innovation, and technology. Apple products help people connect, learn, and work remotely. But there is also social harm. Workers in overseas factories have faced harsh conditions. In 2010, reports of long hours and poor treatment at Foxconn, one of Apple's biggest suppliers, led to global criticism. Environmentally, globalization allows Apple to optimize supply routes and use renewable energy in some facilities. However, the massive production and shipping contribute to carbon emissions, e waste, and resource depletion. Mining rare earth materials for Apple devices also affects ecosystems in Africa and Asia. To support these points, let me share a few numbers. Apple's revenue in 2023 was over 380 billion, showing the global scale. In China alone, Apple employs millions through its suppliers. On the environmental side, Apple produced 22.6 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions in 2022, even though they are working towards carbon neutrality. In conclusion, Apple has both. In conclusion, globalization has both benefits and challenges. In Apple's case, it has boosted innovation and global reach, but also raised concerns about labor rights and environmental impact. I believe globalization is context dependent. It can do more good if managed responsibly, with better working conditions and sustainable practices.